let's learn compound statements. When you hear compound statements, what does it mean? A compound statement is a statement that contains two or more simple statements. That is, it is a combination of two or more simple statements. Recall, we call a simple statement as a declarative sentence that has only a single idea. Now, a compound statement would be combining two or more of these simple statements. Let's look at some examples. The first one, I am happy and healthy. Now, if you look at this statement, it contains two ideas. That is, I am happy, then I am healthy. So, these compound statements already have two simple statements. Another example, it is either a boy or a girl. This is also telling us that two different ideas, either a boy or a girl, which makes it a compound statement. Another example, some students study physics and some don't. Now, if you look at this statement, it's telling us two ideas about student that study physics and student that does not study physics. So that gives us a compound statement. Thank you.